What's up, legends? Welcome to another episode. Last time we got all the carcasses put together. Draw one on this side, gremlin. I've got the dual carcass on this side. Tomorrow what I'm going to try and get done is sort out how to do draw runners, learn how to do all that sort of stuff. So I'll get these drawers hopefully built and get the draw runners, which means another trip down to Bunnings, which but we'll get over it. I've got the taters here. I'm going to do a pantry that goes across here. One that slides out this way, and so I've still got the drawer underneath it and a pantry that goes to the roof. What's up, legends? We're back. It turns out we had enough timber at home to do the drawers, but we're going to need a little bit more for the headboard and the rear board. So I'm here at Bunnings, but the line is and it's not moving anywhere, so I think we might pull the pin on this. My patience is running very thin. I got the gremlin back there, so we're going to pull the pin on this. Today I'm going to run you through how I do the drawers, also how I attach the runners, make the drawers. Also, all you fathers out there, today is Father's Day, so all you good fathers out there, happy Father's Day. I hope your family spoils you, you get to sleep in and cook something on the BBQ. Today we've got a nice lamb shoulder on there, just stewing away. That's probably got another 3 hours and we'll get into that. But today, what we've got on is we've got the drawers and the drawer slides to attach. So I went with the Goliath 700mm heavy duty lockable drawer slide. So all lockable is till you push the release and then it comes all the way out. Nice and smooth. And these are rated for 90 kilos. So the only dilemma I see with attaching these is they don't come with bolts for $66 a pair. These don't come with screws, bolts or nothing, so just remember that when you get yours. I think it's a bit of a rip-off, but I've only got 12mm ply to attach to. I don't think screws into 12mm ply holding 90 kilos is, you know what, that'll just snap the ply. I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. Let's start with the good news. This is an absolute corker. Okay. That's the good news. Bad news is I've only got these little shit screws that I got with like a caboodle kitchen that we built out here in the outside area. I've got enough to do every drawer, but they're like maybe 6mm and the ply's 12mm. Like maybe if I put a lot of them in, it will be strong enough. So let's give that a go and give it a bit of a weight test and go from there. so I've managed to get all the screws in now. Everything's done, so I think I didn't clash with the other side on there, but I've got that one there, so I might use that to run a bolt and a nut through just to lock them together. So I don't think them screws are going to be the strongest, so that'll strengthen it up. How is it coming along? Ooh. Spot on. Spot on. That is a juicy lamb shoulder. Let's have some hydration. Some energy. Get back in. So that's the end of the day, and as you can see, we got 2 drawers done inside the carcass. It took a lot longer than expected, to be honest. Stuffed up a few times, but we got there in the end. They came up pretty good. Tomorrow I'll attach them to the runners and maybe put the faceplate on, or maybe just leave it like that. I'm not sure. I'll see how it looks. Alright, over it.